Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting Figma design. Let's create basic bar chart design in Figma, online vector graphic editor and prototyping tool. Pick the page background color from the custom color palette. Draw horizontal region lines with Line tool. Change the color and line weight to 0.5, copy and paste here, and align for 4 different regions. Enter region names using Type tool in Y-axis. Enter horizontal population data in millions, using Type tool in X-axis. Draw horizontal visual data bars using Rectangle. Apply corner radius equals 50 for top right and bottom right corners, and apply color from the swatches. Copy and paste here. Place horizontal bars for all the regions as per the data. Enter bar title and legend indicators using Type tool. Press shortcut key equals T. Enter bar data statistical numbers using Type tool. Press shortcut key equals T. Thanks for watching.